What's up guys, welcome back to another remote work from home job video. In today's video, I'm going to be covering some brand new positions where you can work and you can make upwards of $50 per hour working as a copywriter or a graphic designer or even doing data entry. So quite a bit of job leads that we have to go through today, so be sure to stick around to the very end of the video. This way you don't miss out on what could be another high-paying job lead. And with that said, I also just covered some other high-paying job leads on the work from home channel, so be sure to go over there, check out those job leads as well, some really high-paying positions. Also, in case you missed out on this right here, this is one call and they currently have a couple openings right here, job openings. So they're looking for a care navigator level 1, a care coordinator level 2, a medical services coordinator level 1, a medical interpreter level 1, clinical program coordinator level 1, accounts receivable associate level 1. And most, if not all, of these jobs here are paying over $25 per hour. Different jobs here will have different salaries, but they also give a ton of benefits and you can make some bonuses as well. So really great job opportunities here that I covered just about a day ago. Also, these jobs are still open for anyone that is interested. Jobs at Gaggle that I covered on the work from home channel. So they're looking for a mental health therapist, which does start at $50 per hour and you can make upwards of that. Also, they're looking for a customer success manager, which pays right around $100,000 per year, or the range is $88,000 and upwards. They're also looking for a operations analyst as well. So these jobs are still open. You can still apply for them. And then finally, there was these jobs right here at Transamerica. So there was a retirement plan specialist. Level 1 position, pays up to $95,000 per year. Also, this company gives a ton of bonuses and really good benefits. So here you could get 100, or they start you off at 160 hours annually for PTO, and that goes up as you work here for more years. Also, they had a open position for a internal sales consultant. Same benefits, salary was a bit different, but really good job opportunities here that you can apply for. Again, I cover these on the work from home channel. So if you haven't already done so, be sure to go over to my second channel, which is this channel right here, the work from home channel. This is where I'm currently posting the highest paying remote work from home jobs they can find online. And so if you look at some of the recent videos here, you'll see that these are higher than average, or higher paying than the average for what these jobs are. So for example, making around $90,000 per year doing data support or being a data support analyst, also making over $1,500 per week with flexible PTO. Also other jobs here like entry-level tech jobs paying over $36 per hour, making $24 per hour by simply watching videos online. No calls, work at home as a admission team lead, making around $39 per hour. So you'll find a lot of really good full-time jobs here, part-time jobs as well, jobs with flexible schedules, overnight jobs. If you're looking for something full-time or something that you can put together with whatever you have going on right now, then you'll find these high-paying job leads here. So be sure to come over to the work from home channel, be sure to subscribe here, and when you do subscribe, be sure to go ahead and also tap the notification bell right here. This way you never miss out on what could be another potentially high-paying job lead that you would be interested in. So there's that. I'll leave the link down below or in a pinned comment to the work from home channel. And also, just in case you guys are struggling with your resume or landing job interviews, I created this resource right here. This is the Pro Resume Templates, and these are professionally done resume templates that have been optimized for the ATS system, which now means that your resume, your job application won't be filtered out or discarded by the system. Now it actually stands a chance at making it to a real human for review. So here you get 3 resume templates with instructions, also matching cover letter templates with instructions as well. Everything is broken down into sections with section by section instructions. This way you get to customize them while everything remains ATS compliant. Also 3 matching reference pages. Everything here follows the same theme. 3 matching thank you letters. So choose a template you like the most, and then you can use every resource from that template, or you could use all 3, or you could even use the instructions to create your own template from scratch or your own resume from scratch. So that's another option. Everything is fully customizable. There's a screen recording included here showing you guys exactly how to customize these in just under 5 minutes. You can do so with Google Docs as well. So don't need to pay for any software, and you can edit or customize these on any device. So a laptop or MacBook or anything that has a browser internet connection and allows you to type or edit. You can use that to edit these templates. So if you need this resource, it's here. Link is down below as well. Now, before I get into the high paying jobs that pay around $50 per hour, just want to cover this position right here. This is a data entry specialist position here at ABC Legal. And data entry jobs are usually some of the easiest jobs you'll find online. The only downside is that they typically don't pay a whole lot. Most data entry jobs that I come across are only paying like $10 or $11 per hour. I mean, next to minimum wage is what most data entry positions pay. So for this one, it is paying slightly above that, but this is also an entry level type of job. So what you'll be doing here is you'll review and file legal documents using internal systems and email. You'll also participate in ongoing training to expand knowledge of industry and process. You'll also investigate discrepancies as they arise and complete additional projects as assigned. So pretty simple job, easy to do data entry job here. All you need to land a job like this is, well, they say no experience is necessary, but if you do have some data entry experience, then that would be a plus. Also, tech experience is strongly preferred but not required. Must be able to read, write, and speak English. You need a high school diploma or GED, that is required. Also, ability to perform repetitive tasks with accuracy, usually the same thing for most data entry jobs. Exceptional attention to detail, desire and ability to be a team player, experience and basic proficiency with Microsoft Office, and also you need to have, or your typing speed needs to be between 50 to 60 words per minute at the minimum. If higher, then that would be good as well. Now, this company, you get some benefits here. So you get a retirement plan with a company match, you get medical, dental, and vision insurance. You get paid time off, 11 paid holidays per year. There's also a referral program so you can earn some extra money that way. And starting pay here is $14 to $16 per hour. So again, not a high paying job, it's on the lower end. But for data entry, for a really simple, easy to do job, I think this is fairly good because again, if you search for data entry jobs online, most data entry jobs are only going to be paying you minimum wage or right next to it. So depending on what state you're in or your location, that could be $7.50 per hour, or it could be $10 or $11.50 per hour. It just depends on what minimum wage is in your state or your location. That's what most data entry jobs will be paying. So if you're interested here, and again, it says starting out here, so you could earn more. And this doesn't necessarily mean that you'll be making only $16 per hour in this job. So if you'd like to apply, I'll leave the link down below for this position at ABC Legal, and you guys can go ahead and apply. However, be sure to do so as soon as possible, because anytime I post a job that is beginner friendly, entry level, no experience required, you only need a high school diploma, a lot of people are going to be applying, so this job listing may be pulled very quickly. So be sure to go ahead, get your application in before that job lead is gone. Now, next set of jobs that I want to cover here will be at Steyer. Hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. And they do have a couple of job openings here, but these jobs are not all remote. So I'll just be going through probably these first two right here, which are remote work from home jobs. So the first one is going to be a graphic designer position. So in this position, the pay range here is going to be $38 to $43 per hour. That is the range, so that's what you can expect to make here. But this is for a experienced graphic designer, so you would need some experience to land this job. So requirements here will be 5 years of corporate digital graphic design experience with proven ability to lead and direct design styles and efforts. Also 5+ years experience with Photoshop, InDesign, and Illustrator. Also comfortable using Firefly in Photoshop. And this is actually a part-time contract engagement, so this is not a full-time job, so keep that in mind as well, even though it's $38 to $43 per hour. And also, they want someone that has excellent visual, written, and verbal communication skills, also proven experience juggling sometimes competing tasks or competing design projects and client priorities under tight deadlines, and you're able to pivot when needed, and also must have a strong background in general graphic design, typography, composition, layout, and you need to have a portfolio to prove that you do have this experience. So for anyone that is a experienced graphic designer, this may be a really good part-time opportunity for you. Again, you can make up to $43 per hour doing this remotely. Now, another job that they had here was a UX copywriter, and this one is also paying fairly well. The range here is $45 to $50 hourly, which is really good. Most writing jobs actually do pay fairly well, and this is something that you can get into very easily. I've covered this many times before, but for this position, they're looking for someone that has 5+ years of creating user-facing technical content at the enterprise level. Also 5+ years experience implementing templates, developing and maintaining style guides. Also familiarity with delivery and or safety content. And this is also another part-time contract type of gig. So it's only gonna be 10 to 15 hours per week. But again, you're making up to $50 per hour. Now they'll also like someone that is comfortable working in Word, also Google Docs and similar environments. Also, you do have a demonstrated history of implementing templates, developing and maintaining style guides, as well as creating clear user-facing content. Now, also, if you're gonna be working on a team doing like copywriting or any type of writing for an enterprise, more than likely they're going to be using Google Docs. So if you're familiar with only Word, I mean, Google Docs is kind of like the same thing, it's just web-based. So you could probably go ahead and familiarize yourself with Google Docs and the suite of products that they have, because most of these companies are going to be using Google Docs for any type of writing that you may be doing and sharing content and collaborating. So two really high-paying jobs here. They were part-time, but they pay really well. And we also had the data entry position here at ABC Legal. And also, just in case you guys are interested in other jobs here, they do have some other positions here. The only thing is that not all these positions are fully remote. Some of these jobs are location specific. So they do have like a court support specialist, but you need to be in Seattle. It is remote though. They have a customer service representative position here, or they have this listed 3 times, so they're probably hiring for that 3 times. If you look at one of these jobs, let's see if they list any salary here for this position. And actually, you could apply for these because it says it is full-time remote, but you must be located in the US. So their main office would be in Seattle, but I guess you can apply from just about anywhere inside the US. And this job is paying up to $18 per hour. Typing speed, at least 55 words per minute. These are the qualifications for this job. So technology-driven, high school diploma or GED required, ability to read, write, and speak English, ability to transcribe information, review an order, investigate issues, and implement solutions, ability to perform repetitive tasks with accuracy, ability to maintain a high level of work product in often stressful situations, and ability to anticipate issues and circumvent them. For this job, responsibilities will include responding to customer support tickets, which will include answering questions and resolving issues related to existing orders. Also manage high volume phone calls to assist customers with existing orders and assist new customers with how to place new orders online. Respond to emails and address questions and concerns from customers, internal department queries relating to orders or payment on orders, and process servers in the field. Document issues in Confluence, visit court dockets for information, and perform other related job duties as assigned. And again, same type of benefits here. You get health, dental, vision, PTO, referral program, and other benefits as well. So some of these jobs are remote. Court support specialist, this is another one that they have listed here. So for this job, you would need to have a high school diploma. Legal experience would be preferred. Also, it would be preferred if you have 1+ years of customer support, call center, or retail experience in a customer-facing, service-oriented position. Document manipulation experience, ability to perform repetitive data entry tasks with accuracy, comfortable working and communicating effectively in a remote environment using like Teams or Zoom to make outbound calls, Teams for chat, Outlook for emails, and also be comfortable using the Microsoft Office suite. So this is another job here that you guys could apply to, a court support specialist. And for this one, they are paying, it starts out at $14 to $16 per hour. Again, let's see if they have any more positions here. So they had the court support position, the customer support position, they had the data entry position. That seems to be it for most of the remote work from home jobs positions. So again, this is another place that you could find remote work from home jobs. I'll actually leave the link to their careers page here, and that way you can apply to any of these jobs that you are interested in. So again, jobs here at ABC Legal that start out at anywhere from $14 to $18 per hour. Jobs here at Steyer UX copywriter and graphic designer, which can pay you up to $50 per hour, and these are part-time jobs. And with these jobs, you can make some really good money. Also, you could get some really good benefits. So with all that covered, these were the job leads for today. Don't forget to go over to the Work From Home channel. I also just posted another brand new high-paying job lead over there, so be sure to check that out. But with all that covered, all the best in your job hunt. I hope you find that dream remote work from home job that you're looking for. That gives you a ton of flexibility, pays you a lot, and allows you to work from home or wherever you want. But I'll talk to you guys very soon in the next video.